Today we're doing winter prep on a couple of my new hive splits I took this year. You say winter prep, it's July. It's hot out here. It is blazing hot. I am sweating like a waterfall in here. But I am preparing for winter now. And I'm gonna do it with different type of box. Watch and see what I do. Are them some beautiful bees or what? Almost black in color. They are Honeybees bees. Beautiful, beautiful bees. Let's get started. What we're doing today is preparing these for winter. And to do so, we're using those. Yes, those are supers. We're going to put them on there for winter. Now you see them with the supers on them. You notice on this one here, I've got a queen excluder. This one here, I do not. What I'm planning on doing is to, in case there's fall honey, I don't normally get fall honey, but just in case, I've got an excluder on the stronger of the two hives, and the other is just there for winter. Now, let me explain. Okay, what I like to do, and it worked very well last year, I had 100% survival last winter, and you know it was a cold one, is I use single deep, single brood box, and then I use a super on top of that for the honey stores for winter. Yes, they may lay a little brood up in there. I am not concerned about that at all. To me, it's not that big a deal. So that is my configuration back there for winter. Now I'll add a shim to the top there with wood chips in it to help keep them warm. I don't upper ventilate, but those wood chips will help keep them warm. And then come January, February time frame, I'll start adding fondant as an emergency feed just in case they need it. The last few winters they've used very little of the emergency feed. So that's it for today. This is Tim, Southwest Ohio Bees, your common sense beekeeper. Please subscribe and like, and you have a fantastic day.